Seems like a great deal paying 99 cents to $2 for a huge bundle of cilantro or dill. Who doesn't want to pay more for less? But after you struggle to include cilantro in every dish for a week, what do you do with the rest of it before it goes bad? We've got some healthy solutions for your extra herb problem today. These 4 quick tips and tricks are flavorful, versatile, store well, and easy to do.
Oftentimes, store-bought pasta sauces include added sugars. By making your own, you can control all the ingredients. This recipe is packed with flavor without requiring large amounts of salt. After washing, cut the tomatoes into halves or quarters for easy blending. You may remove the skins, but keeping them is an easy way of including fiber in the recipe. For the same reason, removing the pits is also optional. Then, add the tomatoes to a food processor or blender along with 3 cloves of garlic. Blend until chunky or smooth based on your preference. Now, pour the tomato pulp into a thick saucepan and cook on high heat. Stay close by to watch the pot and stir frequently while you collect, wash, and chop the fresh herbs. Some good herb options include basil, rosemary, oregano, thyme, bay leaf, or a combination of them. Now it's time to flavor and season the sauce. Add chopped herbs, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, chili pepper flakes, tomato paste, black pepper, and a pinch of salt to taste. Now stir and bring the sauce to a boil. Afterwards, lower the heat to simmer. You will need to cook on low until you reduce the liquid by 1/3 or by half. This may take between 10 to 15 minutes. At this point, your homemade sauce is ready. Store it or enjoy it over a plate of regular pasta, smart pasta, whole grain pasta, spiralized vegetables such as zucchini, turnip, or carrots, or a combination of these options. If you don't have time to cook, an easy way to save some of your extra herbs is to dry them. First wash, then hang to dry in a sunny spot that is clean and safe from pests. They will be ready to store when they are dry and crispy. Another option is to prepare herb butter for special occasions. It can be used over cooked vegetables, grilled fish or meats, or on low-carb baked goods. The first step involves washing, drying, and chopping the herbs. You can even include the blossoms. Then season with preferred spices. Instead of butter, we are using a non-hydrogenated margarine that includes plant sterols to avoid saturated fats and to help support heart health. Stir to combine. At this point, you may use the margarine right away or roll it in parchment paper and freeze overnight to create a sliceable roll. Chimichurri is a perfect pesto-like recipe for using up all that extra parsley and cilantro. It stores well and can be used for so many cooking applications. As a marinade for meat, poultry, or fish, as a dip for veggies, as a pesto over pasta, as a dressing for salads, and a condiment for sandwiches, it is extremely useful and packed with flavor. It's really easy to make. First step, coarsely chop leftover parsley and cilantro and remove skins from garlic cloves. Add them, along with olive oil and spices, to a blender or food processor. Balance the flavors with some lemon juice, then blend until smooth. the fridge for up to a week. But I bet you'll finish it before then. And there you have it. We hope you enjoy the recipes that we shared with you. See you next time.